Alright, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to pick up some vector calculus, and we're going to be talking about potential functions. So we're given this function of two variables, f of x comma y, it's equal to 10x plus 2y comma negative 2y plus 2x. And they want us to find f of x comma y such that f is equal to del f of x comma y. Alright, so what we're looking for is f, right? So what we need to do here is we need to integrate f sub x with respect to x, and we'll add that to the integral of f sub y with respect to y. Now let's identify what f sub x is. So f sub x here will just end up being 10x plus 2y, and then f sub y here will just end up being negative 2y plus 2x. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take care of the integration. So that'll be the antiderivative of 10x plus 2y, and again we're integrating with respect to x, so that means we're treating the other variable as a constant here, so keep that in mind. So with that being the case, this will give us 5x squared, and since we're treating the other variable as a constant, this will be 2xy, and then we'll need to add h of y, because we're going to need to find that. Along with, when we integrate the other part, we'll specify as g of y, or excuse me, g of x, because we'll need to find h of y and g of x. So we'll have that there. And then let's deal with the other one. So this is going to be the antiderivative of negative 2y plus 2x, and that needs to be integrated with respect to y. So again, we're treating x as a constant in this particular scenario. So we'll get negative y squared. And it looks like we're going to get plus 2xy. And in this case, we're going to do plus g of x, because we're going to need to find what g of x is and h of y is. Okay, so now that we've taken care of the integration part, let's set it equal to each other. So we'll have 5x squared plus 2xy plus h of y, and we'll set that equal to this side, which is negative y squared plus 2xy plus g of x. So we need to know what g of x is and what h of y is. Okay, well, g of x is just going to end up being, if we solve for it, it's just going to be 5x squared plus c1. Now we know we're going to, the c1 and c2 is all, we're just going to have one constant. It's going to absorb it basically. But now we need h of y, and for h of y, that's just negative y squared and plus c2. Now remember, c1 plus c2, again, we'll just have one c. It'll basically absorb the other ones. So we can write everything down together and combine the constants. So our final answer here for this particular problem, we can say that f of x comma y is going to be equal to 5x squared minus y squared plus 2xy plus c. And that is our answer. And that's how you solve it. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. We can talk about it. So I'll see y'all next time.